Hey you guys, Molly here with Design Loves Detail, and I'm sharing my favorites from the new Target Studio McGee spring line, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so where to begin? They've got so many new things at Target. This is actually a two-part series I'm doing. Today I'm showing specifically the Studio McGee collection with Threshold at Target. And then next time I'm gonna have the other spring stuff from Target, including the new Hearth and Hand and that kind of stuff. So definitely some really great pieces. Of course, the price points are usually really good being that it's Target. Spring is my favorite season, so I always get excited about the spring decor. I know it's still winter, but they gotta give us something to look forward to. So this is kind of it. They've got some really cute faux greenery florals. This one's like it's like a, what is this one called? Flowering time. And I do like it. I can't decide how I feel about the flowers, I'll be honest with you. Like it feels springy, but they're kind of weird. Like I sort of wanna pull them off. You actually probably could. They don't seem like they're on there that well. Like it's cute, but then I'm kind of like up close, I think they're weird. I'm obsessed with the pots. I love that they look like they're kind of like a more antique kind of cement pot and just, you know, a little bit like imperfect. I like that a lot. And I love the color of this faux thyme. It's just the flowers I'm kind of like on the fence about with this one. Curious what you guys think. Like I might rip them off and then assess, because really they do look like they'd pull off pretty easy. There, I took one off. So yeah, I don't think the flowers should be a deal breaker. Maybe I should deflower it while we're on here. I'm gonna. Seems like it would be a good idea because I gotta figure this stuff out, so I give you guys the best information. You could put these back on, I think. They're just kind of on there. Let's assess this. Really, truly, from further away, they're cute. Like, you know, because they're just like a little soft, look like a little puffy flower. But then up close, they don't look very real to me, so that's my only holdup. Here we go. It's been deflowered, so it's now just a faux thyme, not a flowering thyme. And I'm actually kind of feeling it. I actually think that was an improvement, so there you go. Improving things right on the set. You saw it live. I do like it better. I love faux like this that are just like a really petite type of greenery. Like this just feels, you know, like it looks great anywhere. So there you go. Faux thyme with the Design Loves Detail spin, deflowered. If you don't want to pull off any fake flowers, which you saw was really easy, you could go for the faux rosemary, which I do always love rosemary. I love it. Even the live, I even have the live rosemary in my yard. But this is a really cute one. Again, a really great pot. Love the texture in it. And these are a good price point. This one's like $15. I think this is a great way to go. One more plant while we're speaking about faux plants. So this one's like a little rosemary tree. It's really cute too. I think it's kind of fun that it's a little bit different as a little topiary. I had this one up on my kitchen shelf the other day if you guys were watching my Instagram stories, just kind of trying it out. And I think that that's a really cute little guy too. So some great faux plants for this collection. The olive is still going strong. I do still love olive trees and olive branches. This one's just a cute little vase. Ready to go. You can just buy this as it is like this, and I just stuck it as a table centerpiece in my house. I feel like it looks pretty realistic. It's got the lighter side of the back, or the lighter back side of the leaves, and it's got some good like size to it. The vase is more petite, but then the branches have a good kind of reach and scale. So that I think is a really good, easy, just like grab it, ready to go type of piece too. The lamps. I mean, I shouldn't keep you in suspense because the lamps. This is a really cute petite one with the woven shade. Love that. Really cute just for about anywhere. Love it for a desk because it is a little more petite. If you want something with a little bit more scale, of course we have this one, which is like probably, this is the prize pony of the collection. I don't know if prize pony is a thing people say, but I like say that a lot. This is it. This is the one. So you may have seen it because it really is great. I was surprised by the price point. Not that it's bad, but it's more in line with other lamps. It's $90 with the shade. So not bad, but it definitely is as if, to me, it seems like Studio McGee and Target are kind of increasing the cost of items as they get, you know, as the collections keep selling out. So, you know, I'm sure that was part of the plan. Everything, you know, makes sense. It's a business. I get that. But also it's interesting to me just because when the first line came out, it was just so reasonably priced. priced, and now, you know, it's going up a little bit, but so is everything. I guess like right now, like I've talked about that, the whole increase in costs for home products and really anything across the board right now. I'm hoping that that levels off, you know, with the supply chain issues and all that. We will see. That remains to be seen. So 90 bucks to me isn't a bad price, but it's not like, wow, go grab this. Like you need this. You do need it, but it's just that you don't maybe get the satisfaction of it being like $50. It's getting up there, you know, 90 bucks is an investment. But that being said, it's pretty. It's like, it looks like kind of like the terracotta lamps that are more expensive. So, and I love the shade. It's a great shade, the tapered shade. Oh, I do like that it's, the hardware on it is matte black. Like that's actually rare to find. I like the brass too. This one has brass, but I hate when they're really shiny silver or something, just because I don't have shiny silver in my house. So it just kind of depends, I guess, what finish you have in your house. But I thought that the matte black was kind of nice and unique. The finishing's pretty good, actually. It has a, like, you know, a little bit different color on this top part and then below. And it is supposed to look like an old pot. So it has some variation, imperfection, all that stuff, as you would expect. And you can see the scale. I think this is a pretty good scale. It's not like huge, but it's good because that one's more petite. So this is more like full size. And that one I want to say was like 40 bucks, 50. I can't remember how much that one was. We'll put it on the screen. Ding. This one though is the 90. This vase, really fun texture, just a simple one, but I do like the shape of it and really good for shelf styling, that kind of thing. It kind of almost looks like it's made of fabric and it's more matte. I always love more matte finish, matte over shiny, just has more organic feeling that way. So I do think that that's a great one, and it's 25. So again, like it's not like a, wow, that's insane. You know, I think formerly we would have seen this more like $18 or something, but now with things, it's 25. That's where we're at. Okay, this is cute. This is definitely a favorite, this bowl. This scallop looks kind of like plaster. I love stuff like this. I'm obsessed with plaster. I don't know, it's just kind of a more unique piece. This one's 30. So not cheap again either, but really pretty and a good size. So this is great for a coffee table. I'll probably try and get to some spring styling pretty soon. We've got a fun little thing up our sleeve for, it's really far out, but it's gonna be exciting. So I haven't yet undecorated for Christmas. It's something to do for Christmas next year, go figure. We're already doing that, but soon I will do some spring styling and kind of show you guys how to use some of these pieces. But I think that this one is really versatile. I love, again, that kind of plaster look finish and that kind of movement with the fluted detail, kind of wavy edge that it has. And then these are, again, another really fun piece. I love, you guys know this, I love anything that's like sculptural and kind of like links like this, especially when it's in raw materials, like these different two tones of marble. Really fun. Just a great shelf styling piece. You can set it on top of a couple books stacked just to give some kind of interest and detail. And I love that it's a more unique shape. You know, of course, we've seen a lot of the circles and ovals, so seeing this kind of diamond shape is fun and different. So definitely recommend that. I think I saved this for last because I love this. So this is actually bedding, and I would love for them to do a pillow like with this too. This fabric's beautiful. It looks like a linen. I think that it's actually like a cotton blend. Yeah, it is 100% cotton. It is really, really pretty, and it has just like a fresh feel to it. So perfect for spring. What it reminds me of is the hand block fabrics from Italy, from India. They have beautiful textiles that are the more handmade type out of India. And this has that feeling. Of course, it's my favorite too, like in the green tones, just a really petite little like kind of floral type stem. And so I'm going to use this in the flip house, probably across the end of the bed to bring in some pattern. And then I just love the feeling of it too. Like the actual fabric is just airy and soft. I think this one was $80, $79.99. Does that seem? No, it doesn't have the price on it. I just think this is so gorgeous. I hope that they do some pillows like this because those are some of my favorite fabrics for sure. And I think this is just gonna be so cute, so cute. Oh, it says right on the front, 100% cotton. I had to go search for it, but it was right there all along. So yeah, there were some good bedding pieces. I'm probably gonna put a few more links in the description below of just other stuff I noticed that's really cute that would be great for updating a space from this collection. But I really do think, man, I'm just looking at this time again. I think that was a major improvement, y'all. Just take those blossoms off. It's cute. I really like that. I like the size of it too. This one's a little bit bigger. You can see these together. Like, I feel like the pot is, yeah, a little bigger than the rosemary pot. Those are cute. So yes, the collection's great. They have some really cute stuff, and you can shop my links below. That gives me credit. I appreciate it so much. Or you can also check in store. Sometimes you have better luck in store. Or what's even better, if you buy from my link, you can often pick up in store. That's a good way to go, because then you don't have to worry about things breaking in the mail, but you can also make sure they have it in the store too and buy it so it's ready to go and just pick it up. I can't wait to show you the other stuff next week from Target as well. Spring collections like Hearth and Hand, and then their regular Threshold line. Some really good stuff in that too. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified so you won't miss future videos. And check us out over on Instagram at Design Loves Detailed there, and then designlovesdetailed.com. If you follow me on Instagram, keep an eye on my stories, because some of these pieces I'm not 100% sure. Like, I haven't seen this lamp. I check like every day. It hasn't been listed online yet, but I think it will any day. So I am on the lookout for that, and I will be sure to post in my Instagram stories, because you cannot get these in the store. Like, I literally had to chase the girl down. That was nice. And wait till she brought out a new cart. I was like ready for it. I was like, they're gonna bring out a cart. I went early in the morning. I'm like, they're gonna bring out a cart of stuff and I'm just gonna be ready for it. I was over in the bedding section getting this cuteness, and sure enough, it's rolled out. And I was like, hey, can I just take that? And she was like, do you wanna know the price? And I was like, I just want it. I'm good. Thank you. You made my day. I told her that. I said, you made my day. Felt like I won the jackpot. Got that, baby. Of course, I had to just be like, there's not another one, right? Because it would be, the only thing better would be if it had a mate, but it's okay. Like, it can stand alone. It'll be good. I think I'm gonna put it in my living room, but I should really use it at the flip house. We'll see. But I got the lamp. Hopefully it gets online soon. I'll be posting over on my Instagram stories, so be sure to follow, and I'll see you guys next time.